Hello students, today we are going to start the lesson 4 of geography, that is agriculture. Let us discuss about the farming. Right from the primitive, man is doing farming. But in the recent time, as the time passes on, the types of farming it's changed. The type of farming that primitive man used to do and the type of farming now we are doing very different. Okay, so let us discuss what is the difference. Farming, it is divided into two types: subsistence farming and commercial farming. Let us discuss about subsistence farming, that is again divided into primitive farming and intensive farming. Primitive farming, it is again divided nomadic farmings and shifting cultivation. Okay, so in nomadic farmings, what we do, the farmer is not only depending upon the agriculture, he is using cattle also, sheep, goats, camel, horse, depending on the livestock also for its livelihood. In shifting cultivation, we have been studying it right from the very early class, from the 5th standard, that what is shifting cultivation. In this type of cultivation, what the man used to do, when he was a nomadic man, he was not sitting at one place, he was not living at one place, but he was roaming from one place to another. At that time he was used to do this shifting cultivation. Okay, in that what he used to do, he takes the piece of a land in the jungle, you say. Okay, then he cuts that land, cuts the trees of that land, burn it, and then he uses that ash as mix it with the soil and make it fertile. This condition when he used to do, he used to do it before it rains, so that when it rains the ash mixes with the soil very properly and makes the land fertile. What he used to do, he used to live at that place for about 2 to 3 years up to the soil has its own fertility. After 2 to 3 years, when the land loses its fertility, it shifts to another place. And another thing, what he used to see, that piece of land which he has taken for the cultivation, he don't take the trees from its root. He just cut it from that place and he burn it. So after 2 to 3 years, after getting the rain and after some time, what happens, the trees again it grows up. Okay, so that land now it is not used for cultivation. He just goes to another place, cut the land there, and that place he started doing the cultivation. In this type of cultivation, he never store the things, he just use it for its family. Okay, the cultivation of that land, the product that comes out from this land, it is only for his family use. Okay, but
Boom.
okay, so I hope the shifting cultivation is clear to you. Now another is intensive farming. See, this type of farming is done now. In this type of farming, there is a piece of land. In this land only, we are using the product it is giving. See what happened in this piece of land. As the population is increasing, the land that is used for agriculture, now it is decreasing. As the buildings are there, infrastructure is there. So what is happening? The agricultural land is decreasing, but as the population is increasing, the burden for the production is increasing. We have this piece of land only. but the population is growing, so we have to increase it. It is intense farming. In 1960s, there was a green revolution. Yes, in green revolution, what is done on the same piece of land? We have taken the production more. In the multiples, we have taken the production. This is known as intensive farming, where the piece of land is the same, but when we are increasing the production. I hope it is clear. Another type of farming is commercial farming. See, commercial farming, understand why it is done? For money, or I can say for business. Commercial farming is done to earn the money. It is of two types: mixed farming and plantation. In mixed farming, we are not using only agriculture, but animal rearing is also done. Livestock are also included. Agriculture plus livestock. In agriculture, not a single crop is grown, but different types of crops are grown along with flowerings and fruit plants. That is known as mixed farming. Okay. For the animals, why they are reared? For different types of milk product, that is mainly used. So that is mixed farming. In plantation farming, on a large piece of land, single crop is grown. Okay, let me give you the example. When you go to these marriage home in shadi parties, okay, we see gooseberry plants. What is gooseberry? आंवला. आंवले के पेड़ आपने इधर बहुत देखे होंगे. Okay, these gooseberry plants, they are not just gone, but the farmer has planted them. That is used for selling it. So that is used for the business purposes. That is plantation farming. More examples like tea, coffee, rubber, jute. All these plants, all these crops are done with the help of plantation farming. Okay. Now let us see the cropping pattern. In India, there are 3 types of cropping pattern in India. One is Rabi crops, and another is Kharif crops, and the third one is Zaid crop. Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. This pattern is done in India. Okay. In this cropping pattern, what we will be studying? We will be studying about their sowing time, harvesting time, different types of crops, and the areas where they are grown. In the next video, we will be discussing about these things. Okay, thank you.